Hey, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to the Pepe Ronny channel, where I bring you the hottest updates in the crypto world. Today, we've got something special for you, an in-depth guide on the Conduit Testnet. But before we get started, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel for exclusive alpha content and insights on upcoming crypto projects. The project we're diving into today has secured a massive $44 million investment from some of the biggest names in the industry, including Paradigm, Coinbase Ventures, and Dan Romero, the founder of Farcaster. Intrigued? You should be. All right, let's dive into the Conduit Testnet. Conduit is an innovative crypto infrastructure platform that allows users to deploy rollups via a self-service rollups as a service platform in just minutes without coding. The project provides an all-in-one infrastructure that enables clients to quickly deploy on the mainnet or testnet, allowing them to focus on building useful products rather than worrying about security and developer issues. Recent notable partners of the project include Avo, Degen, Mode, Proof of Play, Zora, and many other distinguished customers. Conduit has received a total of $44 million in investments, with $37 million raised from Paradigm just a few weeks ago. Notably, Coinbase Ventures is also among the investors, along with several other prominent funds. So I highly recommend adding Conduit to your list of completed testnets. While Conduit hasn't confirmed or announced any airdrop, speculation is high. We can still aim to be among the early supporters and testnet participants of this promising project with such notable investors on board. Let's move on to participating in the testnet. You'll find all the necessary links and detailed instructions in my Telegram channel. Be sure to subscribe. Before we start, let me tell you about a blockchain built on the Conduit platform called Superposition. Superposition is a Layer 3 blockchain on Arbitrum 1 that offers zero fees, faster execution, and higher yields for liquidity providers. By participating in the Superposition Testnet, we can potentially farm 2 airdrops simultaneously, as these projects are closely linked. Remember, neither project has announced any airdrops or tokens yet, but if you know, you know. All right, the first website we'll start with is Longtail. You can find all the links on my Telegram channel. Longtail is Superposition's premier platform for trading tokens, providing liquidity and earning rewards for every transaction you make. We'll be interacting with this AMM during our Conduit and Superposition testnets. Now, find the faucet button in the upper right corner and click on it. During our testnet, we'll be interacting with 3 faucets. Let me guide you through the process. First, let's start with the SPN faucet. Choose the SPN faucet and click on it. You'll be redirected to Superposition's official faucet, where you can request SPN tokens needed to complete our Conduit testnet. Open your MetaMask wallet, copy your address, paste it in the designated window, and click the Request SPN button. Great, you have successfully claimed your SPN tokens. Now, head back to the Longtail website and click the Faucet button again. Choose the Arbitrum Sepolia ETH faucet and click on it. You'll be redirected to the official Arbitrum Sepolia faucet website. Click the Connect Wallet button and select your MetaMask wallet. Choose the Sepolia network and click the Continue button. Cool, you have claimed your tokens. Head back to the Longtail website again. Click the Faucet button once more and choose the Arbitrum Sepolia USDC faucet. You'll be redirected to the official faucet, where you can request USDC tokens. In the Network tab, choose Arbitrum Sepolia, and in the next tab, paste your MetaMask wallet address. Click the Send 10 USDC button. Great, now you have all the necessary tokens in your wallet. Let's move on to the next step. The next major part of this testnet is to interact with Superposition's official bridge and transfer our SPN and USDC tokens. On the Superposition Bridge website, you will see a welcome pop-up window. Read it and click the Agree and Continue button. Connect your MetaMask wallet by clicking the Connect button. Follow the prompts in MetaMask by clicking Next and Confirm. MetaMask will notify you to switch to the Arbitrum Sepolia network. Click the Switch Network button. Let's bridge some of our SPN tokens from the Arbitrum Sepolia network to the Superposition Testnet. Specify the amount you want to deposit and click the Deposit button. In the pop-up window, check all the boxes and click the Approve Gas Token button. In your MetaMask, click Next and Approve. Then click Initiate Deposit and confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. Now let's do the same with our USDC tokens and bridge them to the Superposition network. At the bottom of the website, you can see the Activity tab. Click on it to monitor the status of your deposits, which will take around 5 to 8 minutes. Once our deposits are successful, let's test the withdrawal function of this bridge. It's essential to test all functions thoroughly. Choose Withdraw to transfer your assets from the Superposition network back to Arbitrum Sepolia. Start with SPN tokens. Specify the amount you want to withdraw and click the Withdraw button. A pop-up window will notify you that the withdrawal process will take about 2 hours. Check all the boxes and click the Switch to Superposition Testnet button. In your MetaMask, click Approve, then Switch Network, and finally Initiate Withdrawal, confirming the transaction in your wallet. Repeat the same procedure with your USDC tokens to withdraw them back to the Arbitrum Sepolia network. By clicking the Activity button, you can monitor the withdrawal process, which will take around 2 hours. Regularly testing this bridge is very important. Let's move on to the next step. Head back to the official Longtail website. Now we are going to fully interact with this AMM and test the swap and staking features. To get started, click the Get Started button. In the next window, click Connect Wallet and connect your MetaMask wallet. Let's try swapping some tokens. Choose the tokens you want to swap. For this demonstration, I will swap my CAT tokens for Fluid USDC tokens. Specify the amount you want to swap and click the Swap button. In your MetaMask, click Next and Approve. Then confirm the transaction by clicking the Confirm button. Great! Now I will swap my Fluid USDC tokens back to CAT tokens and confirm all transactions in my MetaMask wallet. Sometimes during the testnet on the Longtail website, transactions can fail. It's a testnet, and these things happen. I found a solution to perform my swaps without failure, using my Raby wallet instead of MetaMask. If you encounter issues with the swap or staking features, try using your Raby wallet. It helped me, and it might help you too. You get the idea of swapping. Try to perform swaps regularly and swap as many tokens from the list as possible. Let's move on and test the staking feature. Click the Stake button to enter the staking menu, where you can see all the available pools. I will be staking my Wrapped ETH and Fluid USDC tokens. Find the small plus icon and click on it. Specify the amount of tokens you want to stake, scroll down a bit, and click the Stake button. Confirm all transactions in your Raby wallet. Great! You have successfully staked your tokens. Keep staking different token pairs and test staking to its fullest. The next activity is Superposition's domain minting. Meow Domains is a Web3 social username service where anyone can mint their very own Web3 domain username with a Meow extension, representing the Superposition community. Superposition members can use these domains as usernames when logging into Web3 apps, serving as their digital identity. Users can also attach additional data to a domain, such as a website URL, Twitter handle, or email address. Head to the official Meow Domains website, click the Connect Wallet button, and choose your MetaMask wallet. Switch to the Superposition Testnet network. Enter your desired name, click the Buy Domain button, and confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. Great! You have successfully minted your Meow domain. It's also crucial to join the official Superposition Discord server and provide feedback about the testnet, including any issues you encountered. Find the feedback channel on their Discord and share your testnet experience. We've finished with Longtail and the free activities for this Conduit Testnet. Let's move on to the next activities, which are not free but equally important to complete. On Conduit's official Twitter page, you'll find a post inviting users to mint a special commemorative Abundant On-Chain Compute NFT on the Zora platform. This NFT might act as a multiplier for future rewards from the project. Who knows? Head to the official Zora website to mint this NFT. You can find all the links on my Telegram channel. Make sure you are on the Zora network and click the mint button. It's important to mint it on the Zora network because Zora is supported by Conduit. By minting this NFT on Zora, we might receive rewards from both projects. The next activity is very time sensitive. I believe only those who watch this video within the first few days of its publication will be able to complete it. At the time of this video's release, there are only 2 days left until the end of this activity. However, those who watch this video later can still perform this activity, as it might serve as a great multiplier. We will be active on the Intract platform, where the quest from Superposition is available for 2 more days. Users are tasked with following all official Superposition socials, such as Discord and Twitter, making a Twitter repost, using the official Superposition faucet, and more. If you follow my testnet video guide, most of these activities can be easily completed. However, there's one activity we need to focus on, and it's not free. In this quest, users are required to stake 500 Fly tokens, which is approximately $3. I mentioned earlier that completing this activity might be a good multiplier. Let's go ahead and complete it. Open this task and click the Continue to Link button. You will be redirected to the Fluidity Money dashboard. Your MetaMask will prompt you to change your current network to the Arbitrum network. Yes, we'll switch from the Superposition Testnet network to the Arbitrum network because we can only buy and stake our required Fly tokens on the Arbitrum network. Once the network is changed, click the Get Fly button. You will be redirected to the official Uniswap page. Click the I Understand button to proceed. Specify the amount of ETH tokens you want to swap for Fly tokens, keeping in mind that you need to stake 500 Fly tokens. Then, click the Swap button, and in the pop-up window, click the Confirm Swap button and confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. Return to the Fluidity Money dashboard and click the Staking button. In the pop-up window, click the Stake button again and choose the maximum number of Fly tokens to stake. Then, click the Stake button twice and confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. Nice. We have successfully staked our Fly tokens. Head back to the Intract website and verify this task. Done. The last, but very important activity is to follow Conduit's official Farcaster account. I have a full video guide on how to use and register on the Farcaster social network, and why it's important to stay active there. If you haven't seen it yet, check out my Farcaster video guide. Follow Conduit's official account on Farcaster and make some valuable contributions by casting in their channel. Remember, Farcaster's founder, Dan Romero, is one of Conduit's investors, so make sure to follow them on Farcaster. That's it for today's deep dive into the Conduit Testnet. I hope you found this guide helpful and are excited to participate in this promising project. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest crypto news and guides. And remember, you can find all the links and detailed instructions on my Telegram channel. So make sure to join for exclusive content and insights. Keep exploring the crypto world with Pepe Ronny.